Honorable Ambassador, Ministers, Mayors, dear ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I could say that it sounds great. Only plus 22 years and 2040 it will be ready, the tunnel between two cities. Perfect, I could say. I would like to extend my very warm welcome to everyone in the room. We have a very good reason to be here today. It is rarely that an idea which is so much forward-looking and potential highly disruptive is discussed. First of all, I would like to thank our Finnish colleagues for the opportunity to host the FinEst-Link project's final conference here in Tallinn. It is a pleasure to have you all here, also because in 2 weeks' time Estonia celebrates its 100th anniversary of independence. This conference is a very important event for both Estonia and Finland, and also for the whole Europe. The availability of a good physical infrastructure and good connectivity are a key if Europe wants to be a place where people like to live. By eliminating the bottleneck for a smooth flow of people and goods will build competitiveness. Thank you for this very informative and really interesting film. Presenting the project's results, it made a good conclusion of why this connection is so important to our countries, to our people, and what it could bring to our region. In 2026, Estonia will be connected to the Central Europe via Rail Baltic. And we must not stop here. I have heard many people of Finland, many of our friends say that they feel like living on an island, but it does not have to be like that. Today, people make almost 9 to 10 million travels between Helsinki and Tallinn every year. And as we have seen from the short film, the estimation suggests that this number keeps growing every year. Indeed, it is quite an exceptional that the two capital cities, Tallinn and Helsinki, situated geographically so close to each other, yet being divided by the sea. We should not be talking only about the fixed link or the tunnel because it allows merging our region into one metropolitan area and forming a twin city. We must also think along the dimension whether the connection makes the twin city more competitive in comparison to other metropolitan areas in our region. Additionally, we must not forget asking the question of how the twin city can become functionally more efficient in comparison to separate capital cities. There are many advantages the functional twin city metropolitan area can offer the region. First, growing labor market. The expansion of labor market opportunities lead to a better balance between labor demand and supply as more efficient matching of workers and employers' needs increasing productivity. Secondly, economic growth. The tunnel between Tallinn and Helsinki would facilitate trade and economic growth as it helps to attract more investments to the area, to boost growth of companies, to open new roads, for global cargo flows and to provide additional tax revenues. I sincerely hope that the fast transport connection will boost competitiveness of our region. Estonia and Finland are both globally well known for the digital innovation agenda. And I believe that if we are closer to each other, we can make a great step forward together and enforce each other's competitiveness. Perhaps we can also consider applying more to sharing economy principles. Even in the public sector domain, we have the same institutions performing the same task of both sides of the Finnish pay. Can we achieve economies of scale? And third, the new possibilities for living, studying, and of course tourism. People can choose to live and work in different sites of the Finnish pay, as going to work takes only half an hour. So people can spend more time with their families. Cultural market is widely expanded due to a timely closeness of the countries. Opportunities to choose form a range and service provide, whether it would be visiting a doctor or hairdresser will be. Educational standards in Estonia and Finland are exceptionally high. Fast connections enable students to take courses easily, both universities, both countries, both cities, without the burden of having to move the other country. On the other hand, universities can share their professors of grade even combined. To conclude, it is of utmost importance to continue a wide dialogue within and between the two countries in order to discuss various aspects of the fixed link and to assess also the environmental impact of the tunnel. We need to keep working together with our Finnish colleagues in order to gather good ideas and also to take into account the new technologies that may become a reality in the near future. Some new technological ideas will be introduced to you later today. Honorable audience, dear ladies and gentlemen, I really hope that you are going to enjoy today's conference and the discussions to be held here during today. I wish you an inspiring and fruitful debate and full of ideas and energy. I really hope that our dream will be true in 2040. Thank you all, and thank you that you are coming to Tallinn.